Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the simple process of linking your credit card to PayPal. This way, you can easily make online purchases or send money to friends and family without any hassle. Let's get started with the step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Log in to your PayPal account. Open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Click on the Login button located at the top right corner. Enter your email address and password associated with your PayPal account, then click Login. Step 2. Navigate to Wallet. Once you're logged in, look for the Wallet tab at the top of the page and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can manage your payment methods, including credit cards. Step 3. Link a new card. On the Wallet page, you will see an option labeled Link a Card or Link New Card. Click on this option to start the linking process. Step 4. Enter credit card information. You will need to fill out your credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code, CVV. Additionally, you may need to provide the billing address associated with the card. Ensure that all the information is entered accurately. Step 5. Confirm your information. After entering your credit card details, double-check for any mistakes. Once everything is correct, click on the Save or Add Card button to proceed. Step 6. Verification, if applicable. In some cases, PayPal may require you to verify your card. This process could involve PayPal making a small charge to your card, which you will need to confirm by entering the amount charged back in your PayPal account. Step 7. Successfully linked. Once your credit card has been successfully added, you will receive a confirmation message on your screen. You can now use your credit card for transactions on PayPal. Don't forget to check your payment methods occasionally to ensure everything is up to date. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.